Truck wash is a business. If you're looking for a business that will put a shine on your wallet, a truck wash might be just the ticket. Not only is it relatively low cost to start up, but you have the potential to make decent money in no time. Plus, you'll be satisfied knowing you're helping drivers keep their rigs looking their best. All you need is some pumps and some elbow grease, and you can be on your way to making a pretty penny. The best truck wash business owners know that the key to success is all in the details. Having 2 convenient locations with extended operating hours is a great way to attract more customers. Offering discounts for fleet vehicles can boost your bottom line. Add extras like detailing services or special packages, and you'll have plenty of repeat business. You'll need to keep up with regular maintenance and cleaning and ensure you're using only high-quality products for your clients. Customers want their trucks to look shiny and brand new, so staying on top of things and ensuring everything is sparkling when they drive away is essential. Your next customer may be just around the corner.